Doors Open Toronto 2018, presented by Great Golf. This year, Humber College Lakeshore campus partnered with the Lakeshore Grounds Interpretive Centre and the City of Toronto's Assembly Hall for a film-inspired tour. The Map to the Stars of Lakeshore Grounds brought more than 660 people to the event this year. Starting at the Assembly Hall, you could do crafts or enjoy various snacks inspired by productions that happened on the grounds. Continuing along the journey, you could learn all about the cottages and everything that was filmed in and around them. With 30 volunteers spread around the grounds, there were lots of people excited to share the awesome film and television history. Visitors were invited into the underground tunnels featuring more photos, posters, and information on all the featured productions. After going through the underground tunnels, you could visit the theater room, showcasing a highlight reel of movies and television scenes shot on site. Thanks for coming. See you next time.